Hi guys, if you want to delete a Chrome profile on Google Chrome, then let's see how to do it. To remove your Chrome profile, first of all open the Chrome browser and then click on your profile picture in the top right. And now from here, simply select Manage Chrome Profiles option. And now you will be able to see all the Chrome profiles available on your Chrome browser. To remove a Chrome profile, click on the three dots next to the profile you wish to remove. Let's say you want to remove this profile. So simply click on these three dots and then select the delete option. And now to confirm, again click on this delete option. And now that particular Chrome profile and its associated data will be removed from your Google Chrome browser. You can see. To remove a Chrome profile, simply click on the three dot next to the profile and then click on delete option and then again click on delete option. You can see. So that's it guys. This is how you can easily delete a Chrome profile on Google Chrome. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel.